Hey, hello, greetings, welcome everyone. Okay, so the 88 Temple Pilgrimage is coming up in Japan soon, and a few people are going to be joining in on that. It's going to be in April. We're looking at around the 20th to go for about 10 days. I'll be in Japan for about 11 weeks, so I will be training every morning during that time, and centering around Kansai except for the period of time around the 88 Temple Pilgrimage. For the pilgrimage, some people are going to rent a car, other people are going by motorbike. I'm going to go by motorbike, and we'll just get hotels along the way. If there's a night where you simply can't get a hotel, just walk into the local hardware store, buy a sleeping bag and a tent, and just camp out for the night. It's pretty accessible, all that type of stuff then. And that's worst case scenario. This time of April is a very busy time. So last year we had a few nights where it was quite difficult to find a hotel. We had to ring around. Apparently one of the guys rang 30 different hotels. Or his Japanese assistant rang around and took 30 phone calls to find a place. But hopefully this year it'll be a little bit easier. We'll see how that goes. So if you're joining us, this is open to all past students, or maybe it might not be for the 88 Temple Pilgrimage. You're just going to come to Kansai and do the morning training sessions with us. You're welcome to join in if you've trained with me before. For that, just give Pari an email at rasmusinstitute@gmail.com. The email address is on the website, and we can go from there. Okay, thanks for your time.